Okay, this is the original version. Ikaw lang gustong makayakap. Okay, start na. Jason in the house, yo. Well, I'm writing these lyrics for the girl that I love the most. Okay, here we go. I'm not good at singing, you know, but I gotta try for you, baby. Got the chase running so fast like a race. Erase the bad look on your face. All you gotta do is change your taste. Cause every time I think about you, everything just moving so slow. Cause I'm thinking about you, and my love is true. Every morning when you wake up, you look so good, don't need to make up. You need to fake it, put your mask on. Baby girl, you're the one I can't resist. For you my love is in the first place. Forevermore, you're the one I can't replace. I live and die for you, cause you're my only ace. And when I go out with you, I'm full with grace. Baby girl, you're the only one I praise. I got too many time for you, no time to waste. To make you satisfied, I got too many ways. No problem in time, I got too many days. No time for waiting, I chase with you with haste. Cause every time I think about you, everything just moving so slow. Cause I'm thinking about you, and my love is true. Every morning when you wake up, you look so good, no need to make up. Need to fake it, put your mask on.
Ang baby ko, ikaw lang ang aking mahal. Sana man lang ako'y pakinggan mo. Ikaw laman ang laman ng isip ko. Sana man lang ako'y mapatawad mo. Kung ano man ang aking kasalanan ay lubusan ko pinagsisihan. Ngayon, bukas, kailanman, ikaw pa rin ang nilalaman. Oh, girl, what's up? Yo. What the fuck?
Oh baby, dahil sa'yo ako'y nagsikap. Ikaw lang gustong makayakap. Oh baby ko, ikaw ang pangarap ko.
Lasing ko sige lahat gagawin para sa'yo. Basta't ako'y patawarin mo at muli ka bumalik sa buhay ko. Dahil ikaw lang ang tinitibok ng puso ko. Walang sino man makakapigil pa sa ating pagtitingin ng nadalawa. Pagmamahalan ko sa'yo hanggang sagat buto. At ilang beses mo pang sabihin salitang I love you. Hindi mo rin naman pinapakinggan ang sinasabi ko. Sana man lang ako'y mapatawad mo. Please.
Okay.